Know their love story. Well, we're going to give you some highlights here. Arnold and Patti have come together here today out of that love and respect that they have built for their relationship. They first met 2 years ago and took things slowly. Their first date was at the Galleria Mall, where they met and sat and they talked. And they talked and they talked and they talked. But here's the interesting thing. Since they were from different cultures, they had to use a translator app to communicate. Win-win for modern technology. Eventually, Arnold's English got better and better. And now he has Patti speaking and understanding some Spanish as well there. Their engagement story is so beautiful and romantic too. They got engaged in the Poconos, where Arnold decorated the hotel room with candles, roses, soft music, and he had to bring there. How romantic is that? Awesome. And he makes her feel secure. He is nice, kind, and everything she had ever hoped for in a husband. Just hold this hand for that hand for now, if you could please. Arnold told me he is still in love with her beautiful eyes and her sweetness. She brings out the best in him, and he has a lot of respect for her. Patti told me she admires Arnold's personality and the way they share everything together, singing, joking, and the short trips they have taken. Tomás a la persona para ser tu esposa or esposa. Arnold, repite después de mí, por favor. Te elijo, Patti.
Te elijo, Patti.
Por ser mi esposa.
Para ser mi esposa.
De ahora en adelante.
De ahora en adelante.
Amarte.
Amarte.
Ser fiel a ti.
Ser fiel a ti.
A la comunidad.
A la comunidad.
En su vida.
En su vida.
Por sostener usted.
Para sostener usted.
Con mi dulzura.
Con mi dulzura.
Por mantenerte.
Para mantenerte.
Con mi fuerza.
Con mi fuerza.
Porque nunca.
Para que nunca
se dará por hecho.
Se dará por hecho.
Por siempre dar gracias.
Pero siempre dar gracias.
Por su presencia.
Por su presencia.
Yo te prometo esto.
Yo te prometo esto.
De mi corazón.
De mi corazón.
De todos los días.
Para todos los días de mi vida. De mi vida.
I'm going to go off the script for a second. This is what makes smaller weddings beautiful. Where did you have this? And he is part of their life, so why shouldn't he be part of their wedding?
It's family too.
As a token, that I shall love you in all time, in all places, in all ways, forever. Okay, perfect fit. With the promises you have made to one another in front of all these witnesses, and by the powers vested in me by the state of New York, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride. Bendiciones y felicidades.